Malayo kayo. Hi, good afternoon. When life gives you lemons, make some lemon meringue. Yes, you heard me right. Lemon meringue. It's a quote that I made up myself. Kasi napaisip talaga ako before, nung high school ako, bakit lemonade? Bakit hindi ibang bagay? But let's talk about the quote first. The quote just simply means we make something out of the problems na binibigay sa atin ng mundo. And I love it. Kasi naman, wala naman talaga tayong control sa mga binibigay sa ating problema. And it's not about romanticizing na, oh, you're just being resilient. I think it's just about doing something out of the things na wala tayong magawa, kundi i-deal with it. And yes, that's how that quote works. And ngayon, naiisip ko na by changing the lemonade to lemon meringue, pabibo lang talaga ako. Gusto ko lang kakaiba ko. Gusto ko wala akong kapareho. Gusto ko unique. Pero alam nyo ba na habang tumatagal, nare-realize ko na dahil sa pagpalit kong yon, it's actually making sense. Kasi everyone is different. Everyone has different way of functioning. Everyone has different perceptions, different way how they become productive, how they cope up with problems. So, I think you can make whatever it feels right for you. If lemonade is too much, you can just sell it. Kaya sobrang natuwa ako nung dumating ako sa point na tama naman talaga. Question is, how will you know yung gagawin mo sa lemons ng buhay mo? This is what I've been trying to emphasize most, is to know yourself. Because the more nakilala mo yung sarili mo, the more na malalaman mo kung paano ka nagpo-function, kung anong klase kang tao. Sometimes kasi makikita mo, oh, they're doing things this way, but it's not working for me, and you think that you're a failure. But no, it's just because that recipe is not for you. Maybe you can just make something else. If hindi nag-work sa'yo kung ano yung nag-work sa iba, it doesn't mean you're a failure. You have to find the right recipe of lemons na mag-work para sa'yo. It's so funny, no? Because we're talking about lemons. So once nakilala mo na yung sarili mo, it'll be easier for you to, even if everyone else is doing lemonade on their lemons, you don't need to follow them. What if you don't really like lemonade? Are you going to follow them? You don't need to. I hope that you'll have fun trying to make something out of your lemons. That is my take for today. See you guys on my next video if you ever enjoyed this on a Monday afternoon homemade coffee. Yun lang. Bye!